Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an iPhone user, you know how quickly photos can accumulate in your library. Ever wondered exactly when that epic vacation shot was taken? In this quick tutorial, we'll cover how to check the date and time of any photo on your iPhone, optimized for the latest features in 2025. Whether you're organizing memories or verifying timelines, this is a must-know skill. Let's dive right in. First, grab your iPhone and unlock it. Open the Photos app. It's the one with the multicolored flower icon on your home screen. Once you're in, scroll through your albums or search for the specific photo you want to inspect. Tap on the photo to open it in full screen view. This is where the magic happens. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen for the three dots icon. That's your gateway to more details. Tap on those three dots, and from the menu that pops up, select Info or Details. Depending on your iOS version, which might be iOS 19 or later in 2025, you'll see a panel with metadata about the photo. Right there, you'll find the date and time it was captured, usually listed at the top. It's that straightforward. For even more precision, if you're dealing with advanced editing or sharing, you can access the photo's EXIF data. To do this, stay in the Info panel and look for an option like EXIF Info or More Details. This will show you not just the date and time, but also other info like location and camera settings. Keep in mind, Apple might have updated this interface for better privacy and ease in 2025, so it could be even more user-friendly. One quick tip. If you have a lot of photos, use the search bar in the Photos app to filter by date ranges. This makes it easier to find and verify multiple images at once. And remember, this method works for all types of photos, including live photos and screenshots. There you have it. Checking when a photo was taken on your iPhone is simple and quick. If you enjoyed this guide, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.